Alright, let's talk turkey. You've got plans, big plans. Maybe you want to fix up your house, maybe you need a new car, or perhaps those credit card bills are piling up, and you need a smart way out. This is where Lightstream comes in. Lightstream is an online lender, a division of Truist Bank. They specialize in providing personal loans to people like you, people who are ready to take control of their finances. It's about smart borrowing, not just any borrowing. Lightstream loans are unsecured personal loans. Unsecured means you don't have to put up collateral, you don't have to risk your house or your car to get the money you need. These loans can be used for almost any purpose you can think of, from home improvements to debt consolidation and so much more. Lightstream offers a straightforward way to get funding. They aim to make the borrowing process simple and fast. Lightstream is designed for people who have managed their credit well. If you've been responsible with your money, Lightstream wants to reward you. They offer competitive interest rates. They offer a loan experience that is often much smoother than traditional banks. You need money for an important purchase or project. You don't want to jump through a million hoops. Lightstream understands this. They have built their entire process around speed and simplicity. Lightstream aims to be that partner for you, a partner that provides the financial boost you need, so you can move forward with your plans confidently. Okay, so you know what Lightstream is, but why choose them over other lenders? Let's get down to the nitty-gritty. The first big benefit is their interest rates. Lightstream is known for offering very competitive, low fixed interest rates, especially if you have good to excellent credit. What does a low rate mean for you? It means you pay less money in interest over the life of the loan. That's more money staying in your pocket. This isn't just a small saving, it can be a significant amount. The second major benefit is their fee structure. Lightstream charges no origination fees, zero. They charge no prepayment penalties, so if you want to pay off your loan early, go right ahead. You won't be punished for it. They also don't charge late fees. This transparency in fees is a breath of fresh air. Many lenders nickel and dime you with all sorts of charges. Not Lightstream. Benefit number 3 is speed, fast funding. Once your loan is approved, you can often get your funds deposited directly into your bank account, sometimes as soon as the same day you apply. No long, drawn-out waiting periods. This speed can be incredibly helpful, especially if you have a time-sensitive purchase or need. Lightstream offers a wide range of loan amounts. You can borrow from $5,000 up to $100,000. That's the kind of financial empowerment we should all be striving for. Lightstream isn't a one-trick pony. They understand that people need loans for all sorts of reasons. Life is full of different projects, purchases, and sometimes unexpected expenses. That's why they offer a wide variety of loan types. This isn't just a generic personal loan that you have to fit your needs into. They have specific loan categories. This often means the terms can be better tailored to the purpose of your loan. Let's look at some examples. Home improvement loans are very popular. Are you dreaming of a new kitchen? Or maybe your bathroom needs a serious update. A Lightstream home improvement loan can help you finance these projects. These improvements can increase the value of your home. Another big one is debt consolidation. Are you juggling multiple credit card payments, each with a high interest rate? It can feel like you're drowning in debt. A debt consolidation loan from Lightstream can help. You can combine all those high interest debts into one single loan, often with a lower interest rate. This means one manageable monthly payment. Section 4. Are you a good fit? Understanding Lightstream's approval checklist. Lightstream loans are fantastic, but they are not for everyone. Lightstream primarily lends to borrowers with good to excellent credit. This is a crucial point. So, what does good credit really mean in their eyes? It means you have a solid history of managing your debts responsibly. You pay your bills on time, you don't have a lot of defaults or collections on your record. You've shown that you are a reliable borrower. Your credit score is a big piece of the puzzle. While Lightstream doesn't publish a strict minimum credit score, generally, you'll need a FICO score of 660 or higher. And honestly, the higher your score, the better your chances of approval, and the better your interest rate will likely be. Beyond your credit score, Lightstream will look at your income and employment situation. You need to demonstrate that you have a stable and sufficient income to repay the loan. They want to see a consistent employment history. Another important factor is your debt-to-income ratio, or DTI. This compares how much debt you have each month to your gross monthly income. If this sounds like you, then you might be a very good fit. Section 5, your simple path to funding applying for a lightstream loan. So, you've checked your credit, you think you meet the criteria, you're ready to take the next step. How do you actually apply for a lightstream loan? The good news is, the process is designed to be simple and straightforward. It's all done online. That means you can apply from the comfort of your own home, at any time that's convenient for you. No need to make an appointment, no need to drive to a bank branch and wait in line. The first step is to go directly to the Lightstream website. Once you're on their website, you'll find the online application. Take your time to fill it out carefully and accurately. Honesty and accuracy are key. Any discrepancies could slow down your application, or even lead to a denial. So gather your information before you start. What information will you need? You'll need to provide your personal details, your name, address, social security number. You'll also need to provide information about your income and employment. Be prepared to state the loan purpose. Why do you need the money? And how much money do you want to borrow? You'll also select your desired repayment term. Once you've completed the application and double-checked everything, you submit it. And then, you wait for a decision. Section 6 Lightstream Special Spark. What sets them apart? Every lender tries to tell you they're the best, but what truly makes Lightstream stand out from the crowd? They have a few unique features and offers that are worth highlighting. These aren't just marketing gimmicks. They are real commitments to their customers. First up is their Rate Beat program. Lightstream is so confident in their competitive interest rates that they're willing to put their money where their mouth is. If you get approved for a loan with them, and then receive a better qualifying rate from another lender, Lightstream will beat that competitor's rate by 0.10 percentage points. Then there's the loan experience guarantee. Lightstream is committed to providing an excellent customer experience. If you're not happy with your experience after receiving your loan, they will send you $100. You have to let them know within 30 days of receiving your funds and complete a questionnaire. Another aspect that many borrowers appreciate is the flexibility in how you can use the loan funds. For many of their loan purposes, once the loan is funded, the money is yours to use for that stated purpose. They don't typically micromanage how you spend it. Finally, their entire model is built around serving customers with good credit. By focusing on this segment of the market, Lightstream can streamline its processes. They can reduce their risk. Section 7. Take control of your finances, your next step with Lightstream. Alright, we've covered a lot of ground, let's bring it all home. Lightstream offers a compelling option for personal loans. They are designed for people with good to excellent credit. We've talked about their low interest rates, we've talked about their wonderful lack of fees, no origination fees, no prepayment penalties. We've discussed how quickly you can get your money, often the same day you're approved. These are significant advantages. Advantages that can save you money and time, and reduce your stress. Now I want you to think about your own financial goals. What are you trying to achieve? Do you need to make essential home repairs? Is it time to finally consolidate those high-interest credit card debts and get on a clear path to being debt-free? Or maybe you're ready to buy that car you need. Whatever your goal, if it requires funding, a Lightstream loan could be a very smart way to get there. It's about making informed choices. Choices that move you forward financially, not backward. Don't be afraid to explore your options. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your money. The first step is always to know your credit situation. Check your credit report, know your score. If your credit is strong, then Lightstream is definitely worth considering.